Okay, well, let's first do a recap of the lesson. What I wanted to do first is start off with the parent function of y equals x squared, which we know is a parabola. So we took and we went 0 squared, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and of course negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. So negative 1 squared is 1. Negative 2 squared is positive 4, negative 3 squared is positive 9. So we graphed those points, we came up with a parabola. Drew the line in between because we want all the points in between, okay? So then we said, okay, let's move this. Let's do a translation. So we went to our book, we started with a familiar problem, which was our x, our absolute value. We knew that if we moved it left or right, it's always going to be the opposite, horizontal, opposite inside. So we knew that this would be literally to the right 4, okay? We do the same thing with parabola. So the parabola has the exact same movement. So if we do an x minus 4, going squared, it moves our parent function to the right 4, okay? And then as it is a function, so we say, okay, but f of x equals x minus 4 coin squared represents this parabola, okay? And then we looked at all of them together. If we had it on the outside, x squared plus 3, we know it's going up 3. So we graphed that one up 3. We knew if it was a plus 3 on the inside, it's just the opposite. So it's going to go to the left 3. This one goes to the opposite, goes to the left 3, so that's that one there. We know if it's a minus 3 on the outside, it just takes it down 3. It's a translation down 3. And then we know if it is going to be a minus 3 on the inside, it is a translation, goes to the right 3. So we graphed all of these, either up 3, down 3, to the right 3, and then to the left 3, okay? So then we turn the page, and we looked at what happens if it's a negative f of x. So negative f of x is really a translation over the x-axis. So we took our parent function, we did it that way. And then we took our look at our negative f of x, which is a translation over the y-axis. So in this case, it doesn't really make any difference because it flips onto itself, okay? So then we took a look at what we call a multiple translation. So this one was moved over 4 and up 4, and it's upside down. So as the equation, we called it a negative x minus 4, because that's my translation to the right 4, and then plus 4 up 4, okay? This one, we know it's a translation. It went over 3, x minus 3, because it's the opposite, and then up 3, okay? And then we had a worksheet today for our homework, which was worksheet 3.1. So if you have any questions, come see me. That's all I have.